Pry open the trim panels on both sides of the saddle. Screw to the display screen fixing screw. Remove the plastic on both sides. Screw to the display screen fixing screw. Twist the handle to the right. Remove the handle. Pry open the display. Unplug all cables. Transfer power cord. Fiber optic and patch good. The fiber optic cable and the cable are plugged into the display at the other end. The optical fiber and the red and white plugs that come out are wrapped in tape. Radio antenna. Original car USB cable. Rear view camera cable. Radio antenna. GPS antenna, CG antenna. Card slot audio cable. Power cable. Protocol box is plugged in. Protocol and resistance. 2 USB cables. Organize the wires and install the display screen. Fixing screw. Finally, install the decorative panels on both sides. Let's take a look at the overall effect.